So guys, it's been 5 minutes now. I just showed you guys the ducks. I gotta go water them in a couple minutes. But we gotta check on our experiment and seeing how they taste.
George!
What?
Why is there cheese that's in the oven?
It's my experiment! I'm seeing how they taste.
No, wrong one.
Just wait. Barring this. Right there.
Oh, I bought that one first. For my hair. And I was like, I guess we're going to go with it.
Turn off the oven.
It's kind of heavy. I ain't gonna lie.
Look at them. They're hot, guys. I'll come back to you whenever they're undone hot. I think they're not that hot anymore. It's not that bad.
But why would you bake a cheese it?
Well, I am a mysterious person. It's actually really good, guys.
Let me have one. I don't even like cheese. There we go.
They're good? Yep. 1 out of 10, Mom. Pick one.
8.
8. Guys, there we go. 8 out of 10.
We have scissors.
That's good. So guys,
Sean,
have a
you're not
nice
even on your
day.
face. Now you go.
Have a nice day. Like this video if you liked it. And have a nice day.